Business Phone Solutions, provided by TRS Consulting and Solutions, your trusted technology solutions provider, serving the greater Cincinnati area, specializing in network, phone, internet, camera security, access control, digital signage, and more. Business Phone Solutions featuring innovative, next-generation smart desktop phones with market-leading industrial design, optional wireless handsets, soft phone, and much more. Our phone solutions are designed to elevate productivity by effortlessly integrating with our access and protect installations, empowering organizations to achieve greater control over their facilities. We provide a high-quality voice over IP solution that includes flexible deployment options, seamless and free internal video calling, a smart attendant that helps you manage multiple business lines, and a system that is easily scalable to fit your business needs. Contact us for any of your technology needs. We're always glad to help.